Christmas is here with us again, the birthday of Jesus Christ. Throw parties and invite our friends. Hang out with him, sing a happy birthday song to him. You don't miss reaching out, celebrate Christ, and don't celebrate yourself. I welcome you back to Friends of Christ channel. Christmas is here with us again. It is a moment where we celebrate the incarnation. It is a moment where we celebrate the nativity. It's a moment where we celebrate the Emmanuel, God with us. It is a moment where we celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. Like we all do, we celebrate our birthdays. And as we celebrate our birthdays, we invite our friends to hang out with us, to go to the beach, to the cinemas, to the malls, and so many interesting places. We sometimes also throw parties and invite our friends. How then do we have to celebrate the birthday of Jesus as we approach Christmas? Friends, I'm here to share with you some few points on how to celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ in a special way. Like we do, we invite friends to hang out with us during our birthday celebrations. In the same way, Christ invites us to hang out with him as we commemorate his birthday. How then do you hang out with Christ during this Christmas? To hang out with Christ, you must continually remain in prayer. Again, you must continually read your scriptures. You must continually visit Jesus Christ in the Blessed Sacrament throughout this period of Christmas. And even if you like, you can sing a happy birthday song to him as you visit him in the Adoration Chapel. Christ also, during his commemoration of his birth, throws a party. And this party for us Catholics is the celebration of the Eucharist. Christ invites us to share the joy in his banquet. At his banquet, we are renewed, we are restored, we are given every good blessings that we deserve. Christ invites you and me to partake in his Eucharistic celebration. If you are Catholic, make sure you don't miss Mass during this Christmas period. Again, Christ invites us to share this love of his birthday with our fellow brothers and sisters. We can do this by buying gifts for friends and loved ones. We can do this by reaching out to the poor, the orphans, the aged, the sick, and all sorts of people who need our help one way or the other. Christ invites you to share his love with others during this Christmas. Christmas is about the birth of Jesus Christ. It is not about yourself. So this Christmas, celebrate Christ and don't celebrate yourself. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year in advance. I'm a friend of Christ. You are a friend of Christ. Together, we are friends of Christ. I want to use this opportunity to wish a Merry Christmas to my parish priest and his associates, to wish a Merry Christmas to all members of Our Lady of Hosts Catholic Church, Dansuman Glefi, and to Star of the Sea Parish, Dansuman Lasto. I also want to say a very, very big Merry Christmas to my family, my friends, my brothers seminarians, and all who care about me. If you love this video, like it, comment, and share. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a member of this channel, please do share this video and comment with your Christmas message in the comment section.